Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in today's video, we are going to talk about if you can see view one's message multiple times in WhatsApp. So, let's start. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Now, here I have a view one's photo. So, what would happen if I open this photo while recording my screen? So, if I will tap on photo here, my screen is going to turn blank, but on my device I can still see it. Now if I take a screenshot, it would say can't take screenshot due to security policy. So here it shows really that you cannot take a video or take screenshot if you receive a view one's photo or message in WhatsApp in 2023. In previous versions of WhatsApp like last year in 2022, you can actually do take a screenshot of the view one's photo or video. But in the latest update for WhatsApp, you cannot do that anymore, unfortunately. Now, on my device, I can still see the photo. If I'm going to tap on back, it is going to go back to the screen. And here we can see that it is already opened. All right, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.